And in this session I just want to share something with you that's more hopefully of an inspiration for you to go out and do something slightly different that can not only improve your marketing but also make you help to make you make more sales. And one of the things is, and the key really, is convenience. See, I've just been into town, into the city centre of Leicester for an appointment, and I parked my car in a multi-storey car park. But while I was there, there was a company doing car wash inside and out. And I thought, that's a great idea. So I paid the guys for cleaning my car, and while I was in my appointment, they were doing all the work, and when I came back, it was all nice and clean and shiny, both inside and out. I was really impressed. But the point was, it's actually saved me the time and hassle of going to a car wash, but just to have the car cleaned. In other words, they've supplied me with a service which I needed, but it's convenient to me and not convenient to the people who run the car wash. Now, I paid slightly extra, more for this service than I would have done if I'd have gone to a specialised car wash or a fixed place car wash. But the point is, I paid for the convenience of not having to take time out just to go and have my car cleaned. So my question to you is, can you do something similar? Can you make your product or service more convenient for your customers and potential customers, which increases your chances of being able to sell them something? So let me give you a few examples. A good one is hairdressers who also work with nail technicians on the same site. Obviously not something I'm going to be particularly keen on in any time soon, but it means that, you know, when you're going to get your hair done, you can also have your nails done while you're there. Makes it convenient for you. A lot of professional services like will writers will actually come to you, as will many accountants and other business services. So is there a way that you can get out from behind your desk and go and see your customers? I would love the legal profession to get hold of this, because there's nothing more frustrating than needing help and then going to have to take time out, go and see a lawyer who's often in the city centre. You've got to park your car and have it cleaned while you're there, and then go and see them, and it's just time out to have a chat with your solicitor. There's also companies like mobile mechanics, where they'll come to you to fix your car or to work on your car rather than you going to them. So if you sell office equipment and stationery, how much more effort would it be to work with a printer to be able to sell more, to be able to sell printed stationery like leaflets, flyers, business cards, etc. So what about if you're a window cleaner? How much easy would it be while you're up the ladder just to check the gutters of your customers to make sure that they're nice and clear, because it can cause major damage to your home if your gutters aren't clear and the water starts overflowing onto your walls and into... Anyway, the point is this. Is there a way that you can make your product or service more convenient for your customers? Because one thing I've noticed in recent years is people will pay extra for convenience. I've just paid extra to have my car cleaned for the sake of the fact that it probably saved me half an hour taking it to a cleaning company and leaving it with them. The car was sitting empty and idle. They cleaned it while I was away. I came back. I'm happy because it saved me time and hassle. So have a think about it. Can you save your clients time and hassle? And on top of that, leverage the fact that it is convenient to them and you can charge more for it. People pay for convenience. We're time stretched, we're time poor, we're just so busy doing all of the things in life and work, etc. If you can make life easy for your customers, I promise you they will buy, even if you're slightly more expensive than some of your competition. So, hope that helps. Go out and do it. Bye for now.